Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can use Mindomo, an application that is part of the Google G Suite, to create your own mind map. So the first thing that we're going to do is from any of your Google applications, we go to the Google Apps menu, okay, and then we have to scroll all the way down. Here you actually have three options for using a mind mapping application. You can use MindMeister, you can use MindMoop, or you can use Mindomo. They all work pretty much the same. In my explanation today, we are going to be focusing on Mindomo. Once you click on the Mindomo application, it will ask you to choose a Google account that you are using. Choose your Mevoot Iron account. This brings me to my dashboard. On your dashboard, you're not going to see anything because you didn't create any mind map yet. So the first step is to click on Create. Now you have a few options to choose from. What we will do now is go for Show All on the mind map, okay, the first option. So we can see all the templates, and we can choose one that is in line with the basic rules and guidelines that we've received from the video we saw earlier. So I'm reminding you that one of the basic rules was using color and using curvilinear lines. So we can use this map or this map, however, whichever one you prefer. So I'm going to click on this map, okay? And once I click on it, it's going to load my map on. So I'm reminding you that we are supposed to start with an image. So how do I add an image? My central image is going to be my topic, is making a career change around the age of 40. Okay, so for that purpose, I already opened a search page and I've searched for relevant photos that I want to add. Okay, I'm going to take this one, time for a change. Okay, so I'm going to right click the image and then I am going to copy image address. Okay, and then I'm going back to my mind map and I'm standing on the specific square that I want to add the image to. On the left side menu, you see you have several options. I will add an image. Okay, I will click on that. Now I will insert the image URL that I copied earlier. So I am just pasting it now using Control V and clicking Enter. And as you can see, the picture has been added to the center of my mind map. I now don't want the words mind map to appear, so I'm going to delete them. And that's it. My next step is to add the chapter headings, okay? The general ideas that I want to include in my TED. Okay, so I am again standing on the main image, okay, and I am clicking on tab. As soon as I click on tab, a new main topic appears, and in this case I'm going to write education, okay, because it depends on what previous education I had before. It depends on what sort of career I can choose, okay, so education. And as soon as I click on enter twice, okay, see, you can see here for inserting another topic, I click on tab. For adding another topic in the same level, I click enter. So I'm also going to talk about MA degree. Okay, you know what? Let's talk about family. Okay, let's talk about, if I click on tab, then I have subtopics. So I'm going to talk about my kids. Okay, how I want my new job to look like, considering the fact that now I also have children. Okay, if I want to add another main topic, I go back to the main square and I click on another tab. And now I am going to add, I don't know, studies. Okay. Now, so you understand how to branch out. Every branch is going to come up in a different color, okay? So, and if I want to continue, it will continue in the same color, okay? If I want to add another one here, you see I just click on the tabs and on the enter key to just add more branches. I'm reminding you every branch should have one word in it. What other options do I have of adding things to my mind map? So I can add notes. Okay, so I can say I'm adding the main of 40. Great. Now I'm done with it. And as you can see, I can see it here. I have this sort of note next to my square where I added the information. And if I click on it, I can go into it. I can change the format if I want to. I can bold it and make it need code. So let's say that I want it large. Okay, and I want to color it blue. Right? So now when I go to my note, I will see it in blue, bolded in a larger font. What else can I add? Let's say that I want to add a link to, I don't know, the website in which I can register for an MA degree. So I will click here and I can insert a web URL. Okay, so I will go to a different web page and I will search for name College because that's where, for example, I did my mteach. Okay, so I will add this link to my mind map by pasting it here, clicking enter, and now I have this earth, this small earth next to the word studies, and if I click on it, it will take me exactly there. Okay, close this. Great. What else can I add? So I said we can add notes, links, images. If I want to add an emoji or an icon, not like a real photo, and I want to add an emoticon of education. Okay, so I will. You have the option of adding an icon to the topic. Okay, so you have many available icons that are colorful, and you have tons here. Okay. Another option is, and you have all the shapes, of course, and everything else. Another option is to go to images and then click on this Mindomo button. When you click here, you have various other pictures or icons or things like that. So I'm going to choose one that is suitable for education. Where was it? I knew I had one here. And here I found it. So I'm going to click. Okay, so now it gives me education. Okay, illustrate my point. And I want to make it a little smaller. Okay, so it doesn't go on my entire thing. And if I stand here, then you can see the way it looks. Okay, what else can I add? I can add a video. Okay, so you will just have to search for the YouTube video, add it here, and just add it to your mind map. You can also search, okay, search YouTube for changing careers. Okay, and here we go. I have various other videos that I can choose from. Once I choose any of the videos, it will just add it like this, and I can, okay, click on it to watch it as I look on my mind map. What else can I change? I can add audio and recordings, okay, and that's more or less it. So what you guys need to do is first map the information you already know onto the mind map, okay, and then use the reflection page with a question of what else would you like to explore to start your research. As you research your topic, you are going to add more branches, more keywords, more sources. Okay, if you find an article, you're going to add the link to that specific branch. If you find a photo that will eventually can be used for your TED presentation, the slides presentation that goes with your TED, you can also save it here. So basically here, you can concentrate all of the information that you need as part of your research for your TED Talk.